So, my dear ones, today we have a speaking session. Okay,
Sir, what's the topic?
what is the topic? I think many of you have guessed.
Yes, sir. Already, sir.
Yes, very good. So, today you have to speak upon grammar. You know the importance of grammar. You know what is grammar because you are not new students, you are old students. So, you know what is grammar, what is the importance of grammar. So, I think you are able to speak upon.
Yes, sir, we are always able as we are
Yeah,
student.
you are always able. Yes, I know. So, I have got the names Gaurav, Rakshit, Harshit, Sushil, Lakshmi, Komal. So, okay, we are starting our session. And first of all, I am calling Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I'm Gaurav.
देख
As you
ढंग
all
से
know.
कर, पहली रिकॉर्डिंग है तेरी, ढंग से बोल, बोलना है तो, नहीं तो सिंसियर होके बोल, नहीं तो बाद में
Sir.
बोलना. हाँ.
Hello, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I am Gaurav Meena. I am a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. My topic is grammar. Grammar is a set of rules or an arrangement to make of words to make the sentence. नहीं. To
फोकस कर ले
help
बेटा,
the
फोकस कर ले बेटा.
sentence
हाँ.
make sense.
हम्म.
And grammar is used in both speaking and writing. Every language has its own grammar, like Hindi has Vyakaran, etc. Grammar have also rules.
Have
Rules
नहीं, has.
has rules for word order, sentence structure, and the relationship between words, ensuring that the sentence makes sense and is understood fastly. It includes many things like objects, pronouns, preposition, passive or active voice, subject, etc. etc. Without grammar, a language cannot make sense. Or it is not a language without. If it is a language without grammar, it is not a language. Because in any language, if a sentence doesn't follow the rule of its grammar, so that's not a sentence. It will not make sense. सर हो गया और क्या बोलूं?
तो बोल, that's it बोल दे, बात खत्म हो गई. हम कब कह रहे हैं तू बोल.
That's it. Thank you.
हाँ, हम कब कह रहे हैं तू बोल. और फिर तो पता चले हमारे को ही खत्म हो गई तेरी बात. Yes, come on Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that is grammar. So, when we are talking about grammar, we first of all we should know what is grammar. Grammar is a set of rules and the arrangement of letters, words, etc. to make sense, such as a sentence. And without grammar in any language you can't make a single sentence. So there is a big the there is a big importance of grammar in a language. And we know that we know that there are two ways of learning a language: first, to live in the environment of that language, and second, to learn a language with practice and guidance. And in this way you need to learn the grammar and vocabulary and other things of the language. And in this way, if you are learning the language, you should first stage that you should clear, that is grammar. If you do not have the knowledge of grammar, you can't learn the language.
Very good, nice
And
speaking, shabash. हाँ.
so we should know that the first step to learn a language is grammar. And if we have not the knowledge of grammar, we can't make a sentence. And without grammar a sentence cannot make sense. To make the sense of the sentence, we should have grammar. And we know that in a language, grammar and vocabulary both are important. Both depend on one another. If we have vocabulary and do not have grammar,
Shabash.
we there is no official use of the language, and if we are and so to and so if so vocabulary also makes sense with the help of grammar,
Hmm.
and so we should have the knowledge of grammar of the language we are studying,
Hmm.
like in India we should have the knowledge of Hindi, English, etc.
Hmm.
And we know that grammar is learned only by practice and guidance, not by the rote learning. So and so that's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। गौरव सुनो, थोड़ा सा थोड़ी सिंसियरिटी रखा करो बोलते समय। हंसी मजाक ज्यादा दिखाई देता है बेटा तुम्हारे बोलने में, इसलिए कह रहा हूँ थोड़ा सिंसियर रहा करो, अच्छे से परफॉर्म किया करो। गौरव को बोल रहा हूँ मैं बेटा, थोड़ा सा सिंसियर होकर के परफॉर्म करोगे ना बेटा, अच्छा परफॉर्म होगा। हमेशा हंसी मजाक के मूड में रह के करेंगे तो बेटा परफॉर्म अच्छे से नहीं कर पाएंगे अपन। इसको ठीक करो बेटा थोड़ा सा आप, है ना। यस, नाउ आई थिंक नेक्स्ट इज हर्षित। सुनो
Yes,
सब
sir.
ध्यान से एक दूसरे को। यस,
Yes, sir. Hello, my name is Harshit More, and today's my topic is grammar. And as we all know very well that we are living in a society, and to live in a society we need a language. And in a language we always need a grammar, and every language has its own grammar. Like Hindi has its own grammar, English has its own grammar, and so on. And grammar is very important for to learn a language. If we are not in the language, if we are not in the environment of that language. Grammar is very important, and grammar includes many topics such as verbs, adverbs, helping verb, main verb, subject, etc. And these are very important to frame a sentence. With these, we can't even frame a single sentence. And if we don't know these types of things, and we want to learn a language, then it is not possible for us to learn a language, despite of being in the environment of the language. And as you know very well that there are two methods to learn a language, and one is by being in the environment of that language, and second is by practicing, and by practicing we can learn language only by grammar, which is very important to frame a sentence. And nowadays we can see that English language is very important nowadays to fight any type of competition if we want to grow in our life. So at that moment of our life we always need grammar, because in this world we can say that now most of the things are dependent on English language and other languages, and to learn those languages we always need a grammar. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। सुना करो इनको। यस, नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग सुशील।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Ramban on an interactive classes from 16. And today I am here with a new topic whose name is grammar. As we know that we are human beings and we need a language to communicate, so that we can share our thoughts or views to others. And language is very important for living, because it helps us to communicate with people and to explain our thoughts to people easily. And now I am telling you the meaning of grammar. Grammar means the combination of many rules, which is very important for a language, because it helps us to speak effective and to write correctly and to understand easily and fast.
Very good.
And there are mainly two ways to learn any language. First is environment and second is by its grammar. We can learn any language living in the environment of that language which we want to learn.
Shabash.
And the second way by its grammar, like Hindi has Vyakaran and English has also its grammar. Similarly, all languages has on their grammar,
Hmm.
and grammar has many tools like adjective, phrase, adverb, preposition, conjunction, alankar, etc.
Hmm.
And I think that only grammar is not important, but also vocabulary is also important.
Hmm.
It means I want to say you that both are very important, because only with vocabulary we can't make sentence, and with only vocabulary we can't make sentence correctly.
Hmm.
So I think that both are very important for a language.
Hmm.
And now I am telling you the benefits of language. Language is very important for us from the view of academic level and exam.
बहुत बढ़िया. Hmm.
How? Suppose that you are going to have the exam of UPSC or NDA.
Hmm.
So there is a section of grammar. There you will have to find errors or errors, and you will meet with unfamiliar question related to grammar.
Hmm.
And if your grammar is strong, so you can get good so you can get good marks.
Hmm.
And it is not only it is not only important from the view of exam, but also it is important from the view of your profession and society.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Hmm.
If your grammar is strong, so you can speak better, and you can understand the problems of people, and can solve easily.
Hmm.
And in your profession it will help you to communicate with people better. And it may lead you towards success. So at last I want to say you that enhance the area of your grammar and
Shabash.
don't limit it to exam.
Very good.
You must have the knowledge of all the things like speaking, writing, reading, etc.
Hmm.
Sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. Very good. Yes. Now सुनो एक दूसरे को, तब जाके मजा आएगा. इनसे पूछो इन्होंने कैसे इतना अच्छा बोल रहे हैं. पूछो इनसे, बता देंगे आपको ये. उस लेवल पे आओ, थोड़ा सिंसियरिटी दिखाओ. इनके सबके साथ भी वही किया है जो आपके साथ किया है. हमने कुछ अलग नहीं किया. बस मेहनत का फर्क हो जाता है, फोकस का फर्क हो जाता है, इंटरेस्ट का फर्क हो जाता है, और कुछ भी नहीं होता. यस, कम ऑन लक्ष्मी.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is grammar. Grammar is a very important thing in our life because it helps us how to make sentence, and there are many topics in grammar like noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, etc. Grammar is a very important things, and grammar
क्यों आएगा
also
बेटा? थिंग्स क्यों आएगा? थोड़ा ध्यान रखो ना सिंगुलर प्लूरल का.
yes sir.
थिंग्स होगा या थिंग होगा? थोड़ा फोकस करो जरा बेटा. हाँ, ये तो टूटा फूटा हो जाएगा फिर. हाँ बोलो, ध्यान से बोलो.
By using grammar we can make sentence, we can understand that what others are saying.
शाबाश, बहुत
it
बढ़िया.
it improve both speaking and
बहुत
writing.
बढ़िया. हाँ.
Grammar help us to improve our language. By using the rule of grammars we can reduce misunderstanding.
बहुत बढ़िया.
And without grammar our language is incomplete. A good understanding of grammar help us to speak and writing well. And understanding grammar well increase our increase our confidence,
Hmm.
and your reading comprehension improve by using grammar.
बहुत बढ़िया.
And it not only improve your language skill but also
Hmm.
provide benefit
Hmm.
in your academic and professional life.
Professional
And
life. हाँ.
yes sir,
Hmm.
there are many disadvantages of grammar.
Hmm.
If you don't know how to make sentence, and you are not able to understand what is the rule of grammar, so you can't improve in grammar. If you want to become a good teacher in English grammar, in English, so you should knowledge about grammar.
You should have knowledge.
All you should have knowledge all in grammar. If and all languages have open grammar, and you can convey your thoughts properly to others.
Hmm.
you, you if you don't know, so if you don't know grammar, so you may be hesitate to speak and writing.
Hmm.
And it help us to communicate better to others.
Hmm.
and if if you don't focus in grammar, so you not सर मतलब थॉट्स को बोल नहीं सकते.
Hmm.
You cannot speak.
You cannot
You
express.
cannot
हाँ बोल.
you cannot express your thought.
Hmm.
And grammar is a very important thing. That's
बहुत
it sir.
बढ़िया, शाबाश. बस सिंगुलर प्लूरल का थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखा करो, बाकी तो बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो. वेरी गुड.
सर क्या स्पीकिंग हो रही है क्या?
जो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है क्या, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है क्या तेरे को? इतना दिमाग तो तेरे अंदर होगा, क्या चल रहा है? इतना भी अंदाजा नहीं लगा सकता है क्या? एक तो रोजाना लेट आता है तू, तेरे को इतना अंदाजा तो लग रहा होगा क्लास में क्या चल रहा है. नहीं लगा सकता अंदाजा? यस, कम ऑन कोमल.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Verma and today our topic is grammar. We all know that grammar is very important for all, and we all know that grammar is very important for understanding, communication and explanation, speaking, writing, etc. And there are many types of languages like Hindi, English, Tamil, Urdu, Sanskrit, etc. And all languages have on grammar, and grammar plays a important role in our daily life and in our communication skills, etc. And we all know that grammar is very important for understanding what is the writing and what is the speaking here and there also. And there are many types of rules of grammar, and we can learn grammar with the help of many things like modal, verb, pronoun, adjective, etc. And all things are very helpful in the grammar, and we can learn we should learn first of all basic grammar, then we should learn advanced grammar, and we can improve us in the grammar day by day and with the help of practice also. And grammar is very important for our communication and speaking, writing also. And with the help of grammar we can make a sentence in the understanding order. And there is a part of speech like verb, noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, etc. And there is a subject verb agreement in the grammar, and also conjunction, preposition, modals, and etc. And all things help us to increase our grammar, and grammar is very important for all things. And in the Hindi has on grammar, and there are many types of rules in the Hindi grammar, and in the English grammar we can there are many types of tenses, and like present, past, future, etc. And we can make sentences in the past, future, and present also. If we don't know what is the grammar, then we mistake very
can
much. And
we mistake कैसे हो जाएगा? We can make mistakes.
yes sir, we can make mistakes very much. And so we should learn what is the grammar and what is the importance of grammar. And we know that what is the role in the community. We should know what is the role of grammar, and we should learn grammar in a proper way. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. और थोड़ा सा फोकस करो. अच्छा बोल रहे हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. थोड़ा सा और फोकस करो बेटा, है ना. छोटी छोटी चीजों को ध्यान दो. यस. नाउ खुशी, बिना घबराए, बिना हेजिटेशन के आराम से बोलो. हड़बड़ाओगे तो नहीं बोल पाओगे. फोकस करो और बोलो आराम से.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushi Gujjar. My topic is grammar. As you know that grammar is very important in any sentence. We can't speak any language without grammar, because grammar is a root of every language. What is grammar? Grammar is a set of rules
शाबाश. ऐसे बोलो, धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से बोलो. हाँ.
which tells us how make sentence and how words and sentence are used correctly in sentence. And there are many things in the grammar, like alphabet, sentence structure, and words, noun, pronoun, adjective, and etc. By them we can understand any language. If our grammar is good, then we can speak any language properly
शाबाश.
and with great confidence.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है आज. ऐसे बोला कर. अब है ना कॉन्फिडेंस.
Yes,
हाँ.
sir. And every language has their grammar.
It's grammar. हाँ.
It's grammar, and due to grammar, every language becomes very simple.
शाबाश शाबाश. वेरी गुड. बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
Grammar is very important in any language. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया
That's-
बोला. आज देख ले, अब तेरे चेहरे पे ही पता चल रहा है कॉन्फिडेंस का. देख ले तो खुद ही ठीक कर बेटा अपने आप को. हाँ देख ले, आज खुद देख ले, तेरा सुन लेना तेरी रिकॉर्डिंग. तो डर को थोड़ा कम करो. जबरदस्ती डर रहे हो, कोई मतलब नहीं, कोई लेना नहीं, कोई देना नहीं. डर डर के थोड़ी जियोगे जिंदगी में. डर डर के तो जी लिए, फिर तो हो गई जिंदगी बेटा पूरी. थोड़ा ठीक करो बेटा अपने आप को. अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं है, लाइफ पूरी पड़ी हुई है. हाँ वेरी गुड. यस कम ऑन रोहित.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about grammar. As you all know that grammar is the most important thing in any language. Every language has its own grammar. Like Hindi has the Hindi Vyakaran, and English has English grammar. And in this way, there are many more grammars of every language. So as we are mastering ourselves in the language English, so I will tell you about the grammar of English. As you know that English is the most important thing nowadays, and we use it in our daily life for our communication, and it makes the communication easier with the with the foreign people, and it has a very amazing grammar because we come to know about many things such as tenses, prepositions, reported speech, active, passive, etc. These are the topics which are required so that we can master this language. And when grammar is not a thing that can be understood in one day. It requires practice, and that comes day by day, not in one day.
Shabash.
And when we learn grammar of any language, there are many ways to learn it, but the best way is to get surrounded um, by that language. Like we are in a surrounding in this class, so that is why we are mastering this language in our life. And we can also learn the language by practicing it in our daily life. And when we are perfect in grammar, we are also perfect in the literature of the language. And from my mind, I think that grammar is the most important thing. When we use grammar, we it makes the language easy for us to understand. That's also.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Shabash. Yes. Now Yamini.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sao. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today, my topic is grammar. So, we all are human beings and we all have a power that is communicate. We can
Communication.
communication. We can communicate with each other. Uh, the language is the source of communication for us, and 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 each language has two parts. First, vocabulary. Second, grammar.
Hmm.
The grammar is most important part of any language.
Hmm.
In our daily life, we can see and we can listen so many languages like Hindi, English, Sanskrit. Some of our friends also tell talk in French, British, Dutch, etc.
Hmm.
And Latin also a language in this. These all languages have their own grammar, and by the using grammar, we can arrange the words in proper way and make a perfect sentence, which is suitable in environment and our surrounding. By the using grammar, we can express our views, emotions, and the time period also. Sometime if we use grammar and make perfect sentence, it bring our confidence on the high level. It is also a good thing because in our daily life we want confidence to do everything. Grammar, if we have knowledge about the grammar, we can easily fight any competition. In the big examinations, the English and any compulsory languages come, and we have to complete the paper, and in the papers grammar is also comes, so we have to learn grammar in our daily life. When we communicate with our friends and our parents, we usually don't care about the grammar, because we are used to and familiar with our own language. But if we learn other languages, so it is compulsory and necessary for us that learn the grammar. So in the last, I only want to say that we should learn the grammar and do practice. By this, we can speak, write, and get impress our teachers. Thank you, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला तो तुमने।
Thank you, sir.
हाँ, ऐसे ही बोला कर ध्यान से। बात ये है, फोकस किया करो बोलते समय भी, ये नहीं आधा ध्यान कहीं आधा ध्यान कहीं। फोकस करोगे तो परफेक्शन आएगा, नहीं तो गलतियां तो कितनी भी करते रहो, पूरी लाइफ टाइम करते रहो। हर्ष।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshit. Today my topic is grammar. As we all know that we are studying English, and English has its own grammar, that is English grammar. In the same way, there are a lot of languages in the world which have their own grammar, like Hindi or Vyakaran. And they have also many topics. And today I will tell you about English grammar. In English grammar, we have a lot of topics like tenses, modals, preposition, connectives, active, passive, direct, indirect, etc. These are the fundamentals of English to be learned. Without these, we cannot learn English, and these all are the part of grammar. To my mind, I think that grammar is the most important thing, because without grammar, we are not able to learn. We are not able to learn anything. In simple words, grammar tells us to efficiently read, write, and learn any language. Grammar is a set of grammar is a book in which there are a set of rules which are the fundamental of any language we all need rules to survive in the society, as in the same way we need grammar to learn any language. Without grammar, we cannot learn any language. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। यस, परफॉर्म करने के लिए आपको फोकस होना चाहिए, सिंसियरिटी होनी चाहिए थोड़ी सी, तब जाके परफॉर्मेंस आता है। प्रिया।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Priya Meena. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is grammar. As we all know very well that every language has its own grammar, and grammar is a set of rules that governs how words are put together to form full sentences or phrases in a language. And grammar is like a heart of a language, which allows us communication with each other. And grammar is like also a seed of a language, by which we can make phrases, sentences, paragraphs, etc. And there are many topics in grammar like tense, sentences, adjective, adverb, noun, pronoun, etc. In grammar, there are also many important things by which we can do conversation, like word order, word forms, sentences, punctuation marks. Also, grammar is like a invisible framework that allows us to do communication with each other. And with the help of grammar, we can speak, write, and listen and read properly. In grammar, literature is also very important, because literature is also like a grammar. And in last, I want to say that grammar is like a system or a structure which allows us to which makes a language work. That's it.
Okay, ठीक है, very good. Yes, come on, Kabir.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from which B18. Today's my topic is grammar. As we all know that there are many languages in our world. Hindi, English, Maths, Hindi, English, Urdu, etc. These all languages have its grammar.
हाँ, बोलो।
Their grammar, we can say that grammar is a group of words which
which helps us to make any sentence
Hmm.
and passage.
Hmm.
Grammar, there are many chapters of grammar like adverb, adjective, verb, etc.
Hmm.
These points make grammar.
Hmm.
Uh, if these points are not exist in the world, grammar is सर अधूरी को क्या कहते हैं?
Will be incomplete. Hmm.
Will be incomplete.
Hmm.
We can see that there are many languages like Hindi Vyakaran. It is also called grammar
Hmm.
in English.
Hmm.
We can see that it has Sangya, Patra, Prasna Patra, etc.
Hmm.
So grammar is same, but its pronunciation and its writing is different.
Hmm.
So in last, I want to say that grammar is a important thing that give us a confidence to make any sentence and rule to make any sentence. Yes, sir, that's it.
ठीक है, और कोशिश करो, अभी अच्छा आ रहा है पहले से, है ना? और
Okay,
ठीक
sir.
करो, थॉट्स को और अपना शार्प करो. यस,
Okay.
वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. And today we have a speaking session, and our new topic is whose name is grammar.
Hmm.
Uh, as you know that every language has its own language, has its own grammar, and with the help of grammar we can write any letter, email, paragraph, essay, etc. And with the help of grammar we can communicate to others, and you know very well that there are many languages like Hindi, Sanskrit, Urdu, Punjabi, etc.
Hmm.
And as we study in Hindi grammar, संज्ञा संज्ञा प्रार्थना पत्र etc. So, and Hindi Vyakaran is called in English Hindi grammar, and now I'm telling about English grammar. In English grammar, we study the tense, relative pronoun, preposition, conjunction, connectives, etc. And grammar is very important thing
Think
in
नहीं,
human
think.
thing in a in our daily life, and grammar is a invisible framework, and grammar is the set of rules, and if we want to know about any language, the grammar plays the important role in it, and and grammar is very easy. If we want to command on the grammar, we should need the environment, and know about the basic things of grammar, and every language is not hard if we have focus and good environment, so we can understand and communicate with others, uh, in English grammar,
Hmm.
and it includes the phrases, clauses,
words of structure like subject, verb, and object.
Hmm.
In the last, I want to say that we should do practice and more practice to make our grammar strong. Yes, sir, that's it.
बेटा थोड़ा सा ठीक करो बेटा, अभी थॉट्स क्लियर नहीं है बेटा, मैशअप हो जाता है सारा, इसको और ठीक करो बेटा, सुनो दूसरे लोगों को, है ना, जो अच्छा बोल रहे हैं उनको सुनो, थॉट्स बिल्कुल क्लियर होने चाहिए, अपने सेंटेंस तो तुम ठीक बना रहे हो लेकिन थॉट्स इधर उधर हो जाते हैं बेटा, तुम्हारे नंबर भी नहीं आएंगे बेटा अपने को जब अपन राइटिंग करेंगे एग्जामिनेशन में, तो ठीक है ना, थोड़ा थॉट्स को ठीक करो, सुना करो आप दूसरे लोगों को, जो पुराने स्टूडेंट्स हैं अपने उनको सुना करो, बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं लोग, और उस हिसाब से केवल बोलना ही नहीं है, अपने थॉट्स भी क्लियर होने चाहिए बेटा, ध्यान रखना, है ना। हाँ, सेंटेंस तो अपन बना ही रहे हैं बट अपने थॉट्स भी क्लियर होने चाहिए, चाहे कम बोले लेकिन थॉट्स बिल्कुल क्लियर जाए अपने। यस कम ऑन मधु, नहीं आदित्य।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Dhanwat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. Today's our topic is grammar. As we all know that we learn English and grammar is the part of English, and it and with the help of grammar we know English. Without grammar we cannot we don't know what is English. The means of grammar is uh, how we speak correctly and make sentences. Anytime we learn any language, so we think that now I learned a new language and this is very hard for me, but this is very big very big no, sorry. This is very wrong thing. How uh, uh, you fo- uh, you learn any language, so if you
कुछ समझ में
have
नहीं
a
आता,
focus,
कहाँ से कहाँ बोलने लग जाता है, क्या बोलने लग जाता है, कुछ पता ही नहीं चलता कभी कभी, तो थॉट्स ही क्लियर नहीं है, बोल।
if you have focus to learn anything, there are so many things in grammar like tenses, verb, uh, and 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 how and how we know that how we know that this sentence is correct and what is the error of this sentence, etc. First I say that tenses, there are three type of sentences: past tense, past tense, present tense, and future tense. Second is verb. Verb is very important in the tense. There are three types of verb. First, there are three form of verb: second form, first form, and third form. Last is error finding. Error finding is very nice thing in the grammar, because with the help of error finding we know that what is the problem in this sentence, and how we correct the sentence. And this is very
common in our life, because anytime we speak English and we mistake in our sentence. So at last I want to say that never think that you don't do this thing. Yes, sir, that's it.
मजा नहीं आया सर, क्लियर ही नहीं हुए थॉट्स आपके, क्या कहना चाह रहे हो आप, कुछ पता ही नहीं चला हमारे को, तो कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया आपका, क्या कहना चाह रहे हो आप टॉपिक पे, तो कहीं कुछ पता ही नहीं चला मेरे को, जितना उसको सबको मैशअप कर दिया तुमने। सुनते नहीं हो आप एक तो दूसरों को। अभी आदित्य, इसने अभी हर्षित ने, रोहित ने, इसने देखो अभी लक्ष्मी ने कितना अच्छा बोला, अभी रक्षित ने कितना अच्छा बोला, हर्षित ने देखो कितना अच्छा बोला, अभी ये सारे लोग कितना अच्छा बोल के गए। सुनते ही नहीं हो आप किसी की बातें। देखो आपका परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा नहीं है आज का आदित्य भैया, ठीक कर लो इसको आप। यस, थॉट्स अपने क्लियर ही नहीं है आपके, कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच जाते हो पता नहीं आप, ठीक करो थोड़ा सा अपना। मधु, कम ऑन।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Madhu Kumari Meena. Today my topic is grammar. Grammar is a very important in any language, and there are many part of language, uh, part of speech, tenses, verb. Uh, without verb we cannot make sentences, and verb uh, verb is very important to make sentences. Without subject, object, and other words are not necessary to make sentences, but verb is very necessary to make sentences. And there are two types of verb, non-finite verb and finite verb, and we learn grammar step by step. We should learn grammar step by step, and grammar, with the help of grammar we can communicate to others, and grammar play important role in exams and professional life, and if we do not know about grammar, we cannot understand any language, and grammar reduce our mistakes and build up our confidence, and grammar should we should do exercise and practice day by day, and the smallest unit of grammar, alphabet, and the biggest unit of grammar, paragraph. Where with the help of grammar we can make sentences and speak properly, write and
we should learn basic grammar, then we should learn advanced grammar. When I do not know about grammar, I cannot make sentences and any paragraph, but I learn grammar. I can make sentences properly, and we tenses is very important in grammar. Without it knowledge, we cannot properly word order. We cannot make properly word order.
गलत है वैसे. We cannot arrange word properly. वर्ड ऑर्डर को कैसे बनाओगे आप? सेंटेंस बनाओगे, वर्ड ऑर्डर बनाओगे? बोलो आगे बोलो. मेहनत करो भी. हाँ.
And grammar is very important thing in any language. That's it, sir.
मजा नहीं आया. सुना करो बेटा दूसरों को. आप सुनना जरूरी है, अच्छे समझ लेना. आप अगर बैठे बैठे अपना सोचते रहेंगे, अपना दिमाग में बनाते रहेंगे, तो वो आपके लिए यूजफुल नहीं है बेटा. जब भी कोई बोले उसको सुनो आप अच्छे से, तब इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा आपके अंदर. ठीक है बेटा? बाकी ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है, अच्छा है, और अभी और करो आप. अभी फास्ट फ्लो लाओ थोड़ा सा, और ऐसे नहीं. सुनना सीखो आप दूसरों को. जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर अभी हैं, सबको कह रहा हूँ मैं ये बात, दूसरों को सुनना सीखो. बात ये है. यस, कम ऑन रश्मि.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rashmi Meena. My topic is grammar. As we know that grammar is very important in any language. Grammar is a set of rules that governs how words are arranged in any language to form meaningful sentence.
शाबाश. सुनो अब ध्यान से जरा, आएंगी चीजें. हाँ.
With the help of grammar we can make sentence, we can communicate with others, we can speak any language, we can write any language. With the help of grammar we can improve our language. Without environment or without grammar we can't speak any language. There are many things in grammar like adverb, noun, pronoun, tense, adjective, etc. The tense are very important in grammar. Without tense we can't make any sentence.
शाबाश.
With the help of grammar we cannot make a mistake too much. With the help of grammar we can achieve good marks in competition exams. Grammar helps to communicate with others without hesitation. We can understand the language better and able to speak any language. That's it, sir.
ठीक है, थोड़ा बोला, लेकिन थॉट्स क्लियर होने चाहिए आपके. सेंटेंस आप सभी लोग बना रहे हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन थॉट्स ही क्लियर नहीं आ रहे. कईयों के तो थॉट्स एकदम मैशअप हो जाते हैं, समझ में नहीं आ पाता कि अगला बंदा बोलना क्या चाह रहा है. तो थॉट्स बिल्कुल क्लियर रखो आप अपने, ये भी एक इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है. ओके, यस, कम ऑन मुस्कान.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Hello everyone, I am Muskan and I am take interactive classes. Today my topic is grammar.
आराम से बोल, सेंटेंस को ढंग से बना के बोल बेटा। आई एम टेक क्या होता
Okay,
है?
सर मैं वो इंटरेक्टिव क्लास लेती हूँ।
तो आई एम टेक हो जाएगा।
IT।
ध्यान से, मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूँ, फोकस कर ले थोड़ा सा। ये नहीं कुछ भी बोल दिया, कुछ भी लिख दिया, ऐसे नहीं होता है ना बेटा। बोल।
Grammar is a many type of language.
अब ये क्या हुआ? ग्रामर इज ए मैनी टाइप ऑफ लैंग्वेज, ये क्या हुआ?
सर
ग्रामर इज ए मैनी टाइप ऑफ लैंग्वेज, ये क्या बोला तूने? क्या मतलब है इसका? बता चल मेरे को जरा। तूने बोला है कुछ तो पता होगा ना। ग्रामर इज ए मैनी टाइप ऑफ लैंग्वेज, ये क्या हो गया बेटा? कैमरा चालू कर अपना। क्या मतलब हुआ इसका बेटा? पता है तेरे को? तो जो बोल रही है इसका मतलब क्या है, या ऐसे ही बोल दिया? इंग्लिश के 4 शब्द बोल दो, हो गई इंग्लिश। पता ही नहीं क्या बोला है तूने। हाँ
सर वो ग्रामर से बहुत सारी लैंग्वेज सीखी जा सकती
तो सीखने के लिए तो तूने कोई वर्ड बोला नहीं। वी कैन लर्न मैनी लैंग्वेजेस विद ग्रामर या बाय यूजिंग ग्रामर, ऐसे बनता वो सेंटेंस। तू ना तो तू सेंटेंस बनाने की कोशिश कर रही, कुछ भी उल्टा सीधा बोल दिया, हो गया क्या? नहीं हुआ ना? आगे बोल।
Grammar is very useful
हाँ
and in and grammar has many things like verb, noun, adjective, tense, etc. And tense is very important in grammar
ऐसे
because
बोलो, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बनाओ, तसल्ली से बोलो, आराम से। थॉट्स क्लियर करो, अपन बोलना क्या चाहते हैं। हाँ
with tense you can speak English easily
हाँ
and and um, and with the grammar you can write and learn reading easily and with grammar you with grammar you can talk in English easily and and grammar has many sentences and words.
आराम से, तसल्ली, सोच सोच के क्या बोल रहे हैं अपन। थॉट्स क्लियर होने चाहिए अपने को। ये तो मुझे भी पता है कि इस रटने ने क्या कर रखा है आपका हाल, सोचने समझने का, लेकिन अब तो कम से कम डेवलप कर लो इसको। पता तो रहो क्या बोल रहे हैं हम। बोलो, आगे बोलो।
And grammar with the grammar help you can talk and with the grammar you can speak any type of language easily and uh, and 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 basic grammar is very important for human and and That's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं, अब बाद में ठीक बोला ना, कोशिश पता होना चाहिए अपने को अपन बोल क्या रहे हैं, ये नहीं कुछ भी बोल दिया अपन ने, समझ गए ना बेटा? चाहे थोड़ा बोलो पर थॉट्स बिल्कुल क्लियर होने चाहिए अपने। चलिए थैंक यू, सबका नंबर आ गया, कोई रह गया? आई थिंक ऑल हैव टेकन देयर टर्न। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।